Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Sorry for the non-specific home improvement video, but sometimes good self-care can lead to good house care, and maybe the information might be helpful for others out there. My journey started 20 years ago, going from high school to college. I figured that was a good time frame to start taking care of myself. The initial research led to this cleanser for the morning, followed by this moisturizer with a little bit of SPF. And then at night, I would clean my face again with the exact same cleanser and then use a moisturizer that does not have SPF. All of this was and still is available at Costco. It was easy for me to get. They all got good reviews. However, as I get older, I'm starting to get some acne, and it's not crazy. I'm gonna try to get in frame. I've always had clear skin, so the plan is to do some research and see if I need to change the routine a little bit or add stuff to help me get clear skin again. Okay, there is so much information in this skincare addiction subreddit. Here is their acne page that I want to slowly read through. The good news is their recommended routine is pretty similar to what I already had. Morning and night, cleanser and moisturizer. Here is all of the different sections. I'm definitely overwhelmed, so I made my own post that I will link and everybody can read through. I'm going to look at some of the products and maybe start shopping around. It's been exactly 1 month after my Reddit post. Today is February 11th. We're gonna start with a quick face check. And over here. These three are the OGs. The two in the middle were products we already had at home. And then those four over there are new stuff I bought. For me personally, I started using the moisturizer a lot less. I think with all of the alcohol I was drinking, it would dehydrate my skin. So my body naturally learned to produce more oils. So when I stopped drinking, everything was too oily. So I would only use this when I felt like my skin was a little dry. Next step is SPF. Definitely got a couple of comments saying the 15 is not enough, but luckily I already had this at home. It's a Zealios 45 broad spectrum that I use for swimming, cycling, and running when I'm training for my half Ironmans, triathlons. The next thing was to try to get everything nice and clean. And the wife had this CeraVe acne control, 2% salicylic acid. So I started using this. If I was going out, I would use the SPF 45. And sometimes I would still use the SPF 15 if I was mostly indoors. And then at night, I switched to PanOxyl 4% benzoyl peroxide. So haven't used the gentle cleanser since I was using this in the morning, this at night. And if either of those dried me out a little bit, I would use a little moisturizer. And that's where I'm at. The past month has been really good. I feel like the active acne is gone. No more whiteheads, no more blackheads. The plan now is to try and do PIH, PIE treatment. Excited for this azelaic acid. It's by BAHA. I don't think the company matters. I'm probably gonna get hate for that. I'm more focused on active ingredients, and definitely read posts where you don't want too many acids at once. So luckily, the salicylic acid, I am all done with that. Now the plan will be back to gentle cleanser, do the azelaic, and then one of these, and then maybe some moisturizer. I also got comments to try this, and I'm pretty excited. I think this moisturizer is just too oily for me, so hopefully this one will be a better moisturizer. And it was also on sale at Costco. So with all the new products, I wanna give this a week or two. If everything looks good, give this a week or two and see how they work together. And if everything is nice and stable, I'm really excited to try the retinoid. Everything I've read and researched about it, it's really, really good. I'm just a little bit worried. I've never used anything this strong on my skin before. So I'll probably try it once a week, maybe every other day if it starts to feel pretty good and it doesn't feel like my skin's drying out too much in combination with this. Pretty excited to see where this all goes. Let's go wash our face. That was about 1 minute of face washing. In the beginning, I was a little shocked how long it takes, but I guess it's kind of like brushing your teeth where you don't know how long it takes until you time it. Today is almost 2 months since my Reddit post. This is the morning routine I've been going with since I last recorded a month ago. We're almost done with the PanOxyl. Once this is all done, we will be going with Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. I don't think I need benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid anymore because the acne is mostly clear. Here's a quick face update. I think the azelaic acid is really helping with the PIE and PIH. Here is how I apply that real quick. I was talking with somebody recently to wash your hands before because I was touching my cell phone and tripod and microphone, getting everything set up. The bottle says 1 to 2 drops. I felt like that was too little, so I use 3 drops myself. First one over here. Second drop on the other cheek. And then I do one more in the middle. I'll get the areas where I think most of my PIH and PIE are. And then the rest goes shaved head, neck, all done with morning routine. If I'm staying indoors, I will go with the SPF 15 just to use up this product because I have it. If I'm going outside, I will use the SPF 45 that I already have. Once these are done, I want to use an SPF 50 or higher. We'll do that research when we get there. I just started these for my nighttime routine. Gonna give this another month or so and give you guys that next update. That was another minute or two. The PanOxyl is all done, so my night and morning routine is Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. Here's a quick face update. Everything is looking pretty good. My nighttime routine is these two. I am running low on Differin Gel, so the next two things I'm gonna try is these two, but let's use up what we currently have. Going to wash my hands real quick because I was touching the filming stuff again. The Differin Gel, I put a little pea-sized amount. And then the Hydro Boost, I will get maybe that much. And then mix the two together. I'll link the video that I saw a dermatologist do this with. And then put some here and here. The rest will go on my shaved head. And that's it for the nighttime routine. I'm going to give this another month. Here is the date today. It's been about 4 months and I want to make another Reddit post. Since this is an ongoing process, we're going to cut this video here as part 1. Today is May 8th. Quick face check. I'm still getting a little acne, so hopefully we can get some good feedback on the routine we're ending on. Nighttime and morning, Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. We will be doing this indefinitely. I don't know if I will switch it up. We will see. But the nighttime was Hydro Boost and Differin Gel. I switched to those two purely to save money. This is double the price of the CeraVe and the generic Glenmark Adapalene. The morning is Azelaic acid. I might try a different company, but currently really liking that one. And kind of a interesting mix of sunscreens. Also thinking about changing those out to a Korean or Japanese sunscreen. But for now, video 201 done.